I got you your refrigerator. Whoa, oh, a little help? Ashley!
Oh, you're so sweet. Stop being so sweet. Okay, great. You're fired. Bye. Josh, hang this up for me. You quit playing around?
I'm not playing. You asked me to get you a refrigerator.
I asked you to get me a sandwich.
You said refrigerator.
Well, I meant sandwich.
Oh, well, maybe there's one in this refrigerator. That's crushing my pelvis.
Just get me one.
Josh?
Oh, hey, Drake.
There's a refrigerator on you.
Yeah, it was supposed to be a sandwich. Will you get this thing off of me? It's cold in all the wrong places.
Will you get me into the after party?
All right, I will get you into the after party if you get this thing off me and you help me be Ashley's assistant.
You got yourself a deal.
Get it. Yep.